Hello everyone, I hope all is well. If you don't know me, my name is Shish and I make videos on fashion, beauty and more. And after an eternity, I'm back with a new video and I'm very excited for this because it is another Selkie unboxing and try on of the Shakespeare in Love romantic dress. Now this is a dress style that I already know and love. I have the romantic dress in the lickety split colorway, which is my absolute favorite, and I wear it all the time. And when I saw this print, I just thought, I need this in my life. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we have the DHL mailer. Pretty half of the course. Oh, I'm already, oh my goodness, I am so excited. So here she is, looking absolutely gorgeous. And actually I've noticed that Selkie now have these Ziploc plastic bags as opposed to the ones which have kind of, I don't know how to describe it. It's no, you know, like when you pull, like kind of taped, I'm not sure, but oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, first impressions so far, it's really soft cotton. Like it actually feels softer than my lickety split one. It's pretty heavyweight too. So here is the dress, as you can kind of not really see, but it'll be easier in the try on. It has these ribbons here to bustle, so of course I'm going to be bustling, but I'm going to try it on now and I will let you know what I think. Okay, I know I say this every time I get a new Selkie piece, but I think I have a new favourite. I mean, where to even begin? Firstly, it feels so soft on the skin, and I don't know if it's because the romantic one has almost a linen-y feel that this one just feels so much softer in comparison. Ah, it's just so comfortable. It fits just like the lickety split colorway. If anything, I would say that I think it's maybe like a centimetre or two shorter at the back, because I find that my lickety split romantics drapes on the back or drapes behind me a bit more, whereas this one is just a tad just ever so slightly raised off the ground, which is perfect for me. I'm just shy of 5'10", so you get a sense of how long it is. The print is so much more beautiful in person than I think it pictures. It's this gorgeous kind of floral with this sprawling ribbon motif going all the way through it. I mean, I just feel like a complete princess, and that's really how Selkie pieces always make me feel. So yeah, I would definitely say that this is a keeper, and I cannot wait to wear it more throughout the summer and even into the fall, to be honest. I have some ideas of how to wear this in some other seasons too. So I'd say that's pretty much it for this try on and unboxing. If you have any questions, as always, you can leave them down below in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by liking and subscribing. And in the meantime, between my videos, you can keep up with me on my Instagram, which is @peony&cream, on my Twitter, which is the exact same handle, and on my Tumblr, which is peonyandcream.tumblr.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!